People, you don't see them now. You don't see them now. See people, millions going down. Going down. You know, as they're breaking this thing now, it will look like say they're pushing down sand block house. But this thing now for many years of suffering, many years of tearing. Both some of them are not even in Nigeria, some of them are abroad. All this house, all here from here, which or express, all of them are going down. Before you buy any property in Lagos, there are things to ask. Make sure that you do all the documentation. Don't be in a hurry. Rather let that money be with you. Don't be in a hurry. Don't nobody hurry you. It's better the money day in the bank wasted. Because they say money in the bank is the worst. It's better use the money, go and do investment. Government investment. Like there are many of them. Mutual fund, the whole of thing. Then millions going down like this. You know how much that's going down here. You don't understand.